Dzieci jełna dziełla famat Italian rosoti Pun soglia poros rucik goici shitkori.
Welcome back to another video of Food Diary from Mom to Son. In today's video, we are going to make the most famous and delicious restaurant style butter chicken.
Okay, for this delicious recipe, we have taken 350 grams of boneless chicken. First, I will teach you how to marinate it and then we will go for the next step. Cut the chicken into strips like this, not very thin and not very fat. And then we will marinate them accordingly. Okay, you can see the chicken is nicely cut into strips. Now we are going to marinate it. For that, I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We are going to mix this and marinate it in this. First, give it a very good mix.
Few moments later.
Now keep this for about 20 minutes aside to marinate. Okay, the chicken has been well marinated for about 20 minutes. Now we are going to fry it. So I have taken here a kadai and I am going to use about a tablespoon of oil. Chicken is getting fried. Let's take 3 fat onions and chop them fine. And also take about 5 tomatoes and chop them into cubes.
So now as you can see, the chicken is done. Now let's remove it and keep it to cool.
Okay, now in the same pan, add about 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. And fry in the onions, the 3 onions which we have chopped fine. Here goes.
Fry them for some time. Now as the onions are done, add in garlic. Handful of garlic and now fry them. Continue frying. As the onions are translucent and the garlic is done, add in 5 chopped tomatoes. Continue mixing this. Now add in 100 grams of cashew nuts. Continue mixing.
Now add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Two teaspoons of sugar, one teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of vinegar.
Add in this 1 cup of water.
And cook this for at least about 25 minutes. Cover it and cook it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So this has been simmering for almost 25 minutes now, and now let's keep it aside to cool. So guys, now the mixture has been cooled and now let's transfer this into a mixer grinder and grind this to a smooth paste. So that's how it looks, and now let's strain it.
Now straining is done basically to remove the seeds or whatever is remaining in the cream, because it has to be a creamy butter chicken.
Few moments later.
So that's why we strain this, because of this, as you can see. So now the gravy is now strained, and now let's get to the next step.
Okay, now we are going to heat this gravy, and in that we are going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, because it is butter chicken. Give it a good stir. Add in 2 tablespoons of milk cream. Again, it's a rich dish, so be generous enough, and cook this for a simmer You can see the gravy is already simmering. Now add in your fried chicken and cook this for a minute till the whole thing gets well incorporated and you get the flavors all inbuilt in the gravy. Okay, this has been already cooking for about 10 minutes and the chicken is already nicely done. Now you check in the taste, adjust the salt. We'll add in salt to taste. And if you have kasturi methi, add in kasturi methi, but I don't have, so I'm going to add in green coriander and give it a good mix. And you can see this yummy delicious dish is almost ready to enjoy.
So guys, the butter chicken is now ready. It is so delicious and creamy and tasty. Okay, so you got to make this now. Like, comment, subscribe now. Also follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Come say hi. So make this now. Thank you.